All right, this was our exit ticket from yesterday. And with that, first we have this top problem here. Use a probability model to determine each probability. So probability of B. So probability of B is going to be 5 over 20, which I could rewrite as 1 over 4, which I could rewrite as 25 hundredths or 25%. I can write a probability as a fraction, a decimal, or a percent. B, probability of F is 3 out of 20. That's the doggy. That would be the same as 15 hundredths or 15%. Probability of not C. Ooh, tricky. So C is 2 out of 20. So I would take 1 minus 2 out of 20. And so that would equal 18 over 20, which would be the same as 9/10 or 90%. D. Ooh, probability of a consonant. Let me pause this for a quick minute and try to. Puppy interruption. All right, continuing on. D says, what is the probability if it's a consonant? So that is not the vowels. So B, C, D, not E, and F. So 5 over 20 plus 2 plus 2 plus 7, 5 plus 2 plus 7 plus 3, 10, 17, 17 over 20 should be my right answer for that. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, not an A. Okay, so kind of like as same as not a C. So A was 220, so I take 1 minus 220, and then it should be 18 over 20, which is 9/10, which is 90%. And so that would be my answer there. Okay, and then F says a vowel. Well, I could do a couple ways. I could add A and E up. So 2/20 plus 1/20 is 3/20, which is the same as 15 hundredths or 15%. Or I could have taken the one, all of them, minus the consonants, and that would be the vowels. Because for the alphabet, you're either a vowel or a consonant. And then G, is this a uniform probability model? Explain your answer. No, because they all do not have the same probabilities. Okay. Then the bottom question talks about Mark. He flipped a coin 10 times and got 70% heads and 30% tails. What will happen to these percents as Mark continues flipping the coin? Try it out to test your prediction. And so what you should be finding is as you flip the coin more often, the experimental probability will get closer to the theoretical probability. Okay, so it should be getting closer and closer to 50% because flip of a coin is a 50-50 event. Okay, so that was your exit ticket from yesterday.